Dual sport riders, we know a lot of you were huge fans of the 250L and the 250 Rally, fully capable dirt bikes that were also street legal. This is the new 2021 CRF300L and 300 Rally. The new 300s are dedicated dual sport bikes that are based on the amazing 250L and 250 Rally, but now they pack more punch. These new machines are more powerful, lighter, and showcase evolved on and off-road capabilities that will handle just about anything you can throw at them. Definitely bikes to get excited about. The 2021 machine has a list of new features that really brings it to the next level. By optimizing airflow through the filter and exhaust, we're able to fine-tune the power output, creating a more linear power curve. A power curve is essentially the flow of power delivery as the bike accelerates. On a dual sport bike like this that has many different uses, the delivery needs to be smooth and consistent in order for the rider to adapt to changing situations, whether it's commuting to work during the week or a weekend adventure. Now, as mentioned, this is a 300. A 15% increase in displacement means more power. And not only more power, but better power. More consistent power that keeps the bike pulling strong on any terrain. The intake camshaft has been redesigned to improve the power output at low and medium speed ranges, allowing the rider to feel an effortless transition between city and off-road riding. The gearing has been changed slightly as well, with the low gears spaced close together for off-road riding and the taller gears more spread out for the ability to cruise at higher speeds. When adventure riding, you want the lower gears to be closer together because typically you're shifting more and at lower speeds, whereas on the street, taller gears are much better for those winding country roads or commuting to work. Another great feature this year is the standard assist slipper clutch, which reduces clutch load by 20% as well as providing silky smooth shifts and better control. This means the clutch pull is easier and reduces fatigue for those of you that like long rides. Up here, you'll notice a clear and easy to read LCD display. With a dual sport, you never know what conditions you'll be riding in, so the display needs to be easy to read with a quick glance down. You'll have quick access to information like gear position, fuel mileage, average speed, stopwatch, and a tachometer. You'll notice the CRF300L also looks a little different this year, and that's thanks to the new styling being based off the CRF450R Works Edition motocross bike. Sharper and more aggressive lines and a slimmer, more lightweight package altogether. You'll instantly notice that the bike is thinner around the knee and thigh area for optimum feel and control. The entire curb weight has been reduced by approximately 5 kilograms, with savings in the subframe, triple clamps, swing arm, sprockets, exhausts, and fuel tank. It's truly the best of both worlds. Now, the CRF300 Rally is actually based off the Dakar CRF450R Rally machine and features a large front fairing and a fuel tank that is 2.7 liters larger over the previous model. With the bigger tank, fuel range is increased by 25%, which means having even more time to ride without worrying about as many fill-ups on longer distance or touring rides. Rigidity has been improved on both bikes for added maneuverability and contact with the ground, and the weight has been kept as low as possible. This translates to stability on the open road and the ability to navigate on dirt or gravel with confidence. When riding on the road, ABS is an important feature for safety and control. When faced with off-road riding, however, turning off rear-wheel ABS is sometimes necessary for a more dynamic ride in order to slide the back end and corner without ABS interference. This can be done with a simple push of this button next to the display screen. ABS comes standard on the CRF300 Rally and is an option on the L model. These two are a definite force to be reckoned with. Lighter, stronger, and more powerful, allowing you to feel confident on any terrain. The perfect bikes for riding to work and weekend adventures that offers the same top-notch performance and reliability of Honda's best off-road machines.